welcome back to my newest segment. I have a craft for that. Came up with the jingle all by myself. Y'all like it? Where we take your interests and your problems and we come up with the coolest, creative, most innovative crafts for your little one. I'm Cheryl, your host, and let's get to our first viewer. All right, so our first letter comes from, hey Cheryl, I'm a children's book author, reading specialist, and educator. I need your help to come up with crafts for my book series called Tay and Friends, Aleeyah Makes Play-Doh. We made Play-Doh before, so I wanted to see if you can think of something else we could make. I tried to provide something with most of my books, but it could be tough balancing classroom and my passion job as an author. Tell me about it. I could totally relate to that. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Sincerely, author Phelicia Lang. Okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna say to that, right? I have a craft for that. Let's go. Aleeyah dreams of making things in the kitchen. Step inside Aleeyah's lab to learn chemistry science in the kitchen while making Play-Doh. My kid's biggest takeaway from this book was learning that cooking and baking is science and chemistry. So we're going to take that concept and cook up a sweet treat for you all. No cooking required. Enjoy making this edible dessert Play-Doh and keep watching to see how many desserts we can make with our easy, tasty Play-Doh recipe. First, scientists must plan and design their cupcakes, so use this free template found on my website, linked below, to design your cupcake. Now, don't let this scare you because y'all know I'm an overachiever, but this is everything I'm going to be using in this video to complete this. But you only need this. 3 items. And actually, you don't even need the third one. That's optional. Food coloring is optional, so you only need 2.
So we got this icing from the store. This frosting from Aldi's.
We sure did. For the low. Okay. So, get the measuring cup. Kim, you're going to measure out the cream. Malia's going to measure out the sugar. And then Mommy will do the drops.
Yeah.
Alright, let's shake this down.
Let's get you. Gotcha, kids. Here.
Yes.
Putting sugar on your scissors.
Pour some sugar on me. Don't dump it until I say, oh. Don't dump it hold it over the bowl. Alright, hold on. Just keep it there. Keep it there. Ah. Oh, wait. I made a mess. Alright, let's see if I can kind of. Alright, that's about 1 cup.
A packet.
Alright, go ahead. Put it in there.
We'll put it in.
Dump it. Alright, you do 1 more cup, right?
I got the therapist.
You are making.
Leah.
That's good enough. Go ahead and dump it.
Dump it, Leah. And this is frosting.
Okay. Alright, let's Malia, be careful.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, make your hypothesis now. Do you think that this will make Play-Doh, these 2 ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, Kim says yes. Leah, what do you say?
Yes.
Okay, Leah says yes too. Uh-oh. Messy. Alright, let's do like more scoop.
Too much.
If we need to add a little bit more, we'll add a little bit more, but I think we're good. Alright, you can go ahead and dump it in. That's cool. Alright, now we have to knead it. Remember from the book? It said knead it in, so I'm gonna knead it. Look guys, this is how you knead it in the dough.
I haven't kneaded it. Sorry.
Y'all wanna feel it? Go ahead.
I haven't
knead in the dough. So here we are, mixing for life. And honestly, guys, it's gonna take a minute before it's not sticky. So you're gonna have to keep adding some sugar until you get it more solid and you know it's done when it's no longer sticking to your hands or your gloves. Okay, let me see what we got.
Look at my fingerprints. Success. I can make a hand. Yay, my hand print. Ow. Look, a pen.
Yeah, you guys are done. Cause look, see, it's kind of clean.
Yeah.
When you, all right, y'all go wash your hands.
Yeah.
Go ahead, just go wash your hands.
Look, God.
So you know it's done when it doesn't come off in your hands. Now you got ice cream.
Yeah.
So you're gonna, not yet, we're doing vanilla first.
Oh, yay.
All right, give me 1 scoop of vanilla, please.
One scoop of vanilla. Scoop of vanilla.
All right.
That would be $10, please.
$10.
Can I have the cone?
All right, that's good. Very nice, Aleeyah.
Can I have $10?
Sure. And I'm gonna eat my shirt. Okay. Hold on, can I see you eat it, Aleeyah?
Leah, for real? Yes. Leah, eat it for real.
No, not for real, for real. You
I mean-
touch your tongue in a little bit.
Touch it, tongue it a little bit. Does it taste good? Yeah.
It's literally sugar, y'all. Don't eat this.
It tastes yummy.
No, it does. This is like sugar. I'm pretty sure it tastes like sugar. Okay, that's 2, 3. Good. So I want to tell you, if you do it this way, you're going to have a beautiful marbleized looking ice cream color or dessert color, right? The more you knead it, the more the colors will mix and blend together, giving you more of a solid color. But if you don't want a solid color, knead it just like I'm doing here, and it's going to give you this beautiful marbleized color. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you want to see how to make some marbled Play-Doh, look at me. Ignore my kids playing in the background. Look at me. See how I put 1 drop of green and I'm kind of mixing it? Just put 1 drop, just like that. And you're just going to keep kneading and mixing it. I'm going to do it like that so I don't get the color on my hands. But look, if I keep doing this, it's going to spread and it's going to look like a nice pretty peppermint. And really, to get all these different colors, I'm using the same batch from earlier. We just split it into smaller sections and we're coloring them different colors.
Oh, my cooking is already in there. Oh, and it's just good. We want everyone to eat it.
How long do we bake it?
I don't know. I got some.
160 degrees?
I need to find this
You
out.
can never cook. You gotta turn that thing up. Can we get at least 350?
I found a magic feather.
Oh, okay.
That.
Oh, is it ready?
Yeah. Freeze.
All right, let's see. I'm excited.
Magic.
Ooh, Chef Kimmy. Yes, I love it. Ooh, it's so pretty. I can't.
Ice cream, ice cream? Who wants some ice cream? Cream. Who wants some ice cream? Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay.
I want some ice cream.
She's a
No, you're a chef.
Isn't she the My Little Pony? She got money. She got
She's
$50. $50 ice cream. That's your favorite? She likes the mint?
Yeah.
Mint and pistachio.
I want this one. Coming right up. $100.
Ooh, y'all expensive. This ice cream is expensive.
I don't hate it.
She said she don't have that. Take some ice cream down for daddy.
No. I think you like the vanilla one or the strawberry. Ice cream. Cupcake. Cupcake. You want some cupcake?
I like that.
Ice cream. Cupcake. Do you like ice
All
cream?
of them.
We have vanilla and Malia. Which ones do you have?
Those ice cream.
What's the name of them?
Is this pistachio?
Yes.
Mm.
That is peppermint.
Is it like edible?
Yes. It's a fancy one.
Is
Yes.
this ice cream?
It's a fancy ice cream cone with a feather in it. Malia, you think you got enough sprinkles, baby?
Yeah.
I think so too. All right, are you ready? What is this called?
It's a cupcake.
Oh, very
It's
nice.
sprinkles on it. I need some sprinkles.
Oh, you
so,
got
and
plenty of sprinkles.
I need whipped cream
All
on
right,
it.
a little bit
and
more,
the-
but that's enough sprinkles. Because we ain't gonna be able to have it on real. What if when we do real cupcakes? We gonna put on there. All right, go ahead. Put some more. You put a little bit more.
I need to just get all the sprinkles on it. Just easy to dry.
She's putting sugar on top. That's smart. Put a little sugar on top, Malia, a little frosting.
Now let's add this one too. I made cupcakes for everyone. Everyone's gonna love my cupcakes. Everyone's gonna love my ice cream with my worker, Baba. Everyone, we're open
Everybody.
We're open for business.
We're open for business. Open for business. All right, I'm gonna stop torturing y'all with my singing, but look at all of the sweet treats. We even made donuts, we made ice cream, we made cupcakes. We could even make cake, y'all, if we kept going. So how many desserts do you think you can make with your family? Have fun trying this fun recipe. So what did you guys think? Y'all gonna try that one, right? Well, when you do, make sure you take pictures and tag me, okay? If you love what you are seeing here, just like I love y'all, make sure y'all hit that like button and share my videos, because y'all know people that could use this stuff. So share it so we can grow. Thank you. And check out my description box for more information on today's book that was featured. And don't forget, this is a series, so there are more books where this came from. And definitely subscribe to this channel so you can see the next time that I am shooting a video. I have a craft for that. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.